Hi, my name is Juliet, and I work on music at ElevenLabs, and today I'm going to show you how to use your own productions, your own recordings, if you're an artist, your own content really, to leverage our Finetunes feature, which really takes the style of the content that you've already created and uploaded to the model, and really builds a custom model around your own musical style. I'm actually just going to drop in my music, and just right there, just drop it in, create a new Finetune, and just title it Juliet's Violin. And I'm going to tag it, violin, Juliet, so that people could find it, orchestral, strings. Great. I'm actually going to share it to my workspace because I want people to be able to use it, and I'm going to create a Finetune. So now I'm going to create a track with my violin and really insert my violin and that instrument and the sound of that instrument into a song. So let's say create an organic, minimal tech house track with strong violin influence. Go ahead and click generate. Awesome. So you get the point. You're really able to insert the sound of your instrument, of your voice, of your productions that you may have created within Eleven Music or outside of Eleven Music, and build songs around them just using these Finetunes. So we're really excited for you to try out Finetunes, record yourself, upload kind of old tracks that you may have not finished already, and then really have the model capture your style and create new works around your style. This is really your model, and we're really excited for you to create.